Well, I finally got my hands on one of the new Hornby Bluetooth sound decoders. It's taken longer than I expected because I first had to wait for the Android version to be released, and when my order finally arrived, the decoder went up in smoke as soon as the power was switched on. So this is a replacement unit. All the decoder kits come complete with a small speaker plus a selection of speaker housing units, where it is recommended that you fit the largest one possible in order to obtain the best sound quality. But in this case I shouldn't need to use Hornby's speaker system, because this is a 21 pin decoder that I'm going to fit into a Bachmann V2 loco. This loco has a built-in speaker, so the 21 pin decoder should connect directly to it. So let's start the installation and see how it works. Here is Bachmann's latest release of the V2 model loco in out-of-the-box condition. It's a lovely model full of detail and a massive improvement on their previous version. When it was released, I bought a non-sound version as I wasn't sure I could justify the cost of a sound-fitted one. But when Hornby began to develop their new Bluetooth decoders, I thought it might be worth trying one in this loco. They seemed to be set at a good price, so I just had to wait for the Android version to be released. As you can see, the decoder is a perfect fit within the loco body. The only problems that might arise is if you need to use the speaker and StayLive connectors, as these are plugins, one on either side of the board. But since I was intending to use the onboard speaker and didn't need StayLive, this wouldn't be a problem for me. The Hornby Bluetooth app was a straightforward download, although it did take some time, and then it took 3 attempts before I got a clean sound file downloaded. I chose the V1/V3 profile download as I thought this would be the nearest one for this particular loco. So now, with the body back on, we'll do a test of some of the basic sound functions before we reassemble the loco. There are 3 pages of functions with this, giving a total of around 30 options. And now that everything seems to be in good working order, we'll reassemble the locomotive. And here she is with the accessory pack fitted and her new nameplates. We have also given her a suitable crew plus rail call in the tender. So let's give her a full test by sending her down to the station to commence her daily duties. So overall, Hornby's new Bluetooth decoder system works well once you've got over the initial difficulties of downloading and installing it. When you consider that a normal non-sound decoder costs around £25 to £30, when you're able to buy a sound decoder plus Bluetooth for around £60, that is pretty good value. Personally, the only improvements I would like are some station announcements, and also I'll probably try and fit a better speaker in the next local.